Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on Kajabi. Kajabi provides an all-in-one platform for entrepreneurs to monetize their expertise. You can create and sell various digital products, from comprehensive online courses to exclusive coaching programs and recurring membership sites. The key is to identify your niche, understand your audience, and then craft valuable content. Kajabi simplifies the technical aspects, allowing you to focus on content creation and marketing strategies to reach potential customers effectively. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to create your digital product. Think about what problem you can solve or what skill you can teach. Structure your content logically into modules and lessons, making it easy for your students to follow. Whether it's video lectures, written guides, or interactive exercises, ensure your content is high quality and engaging. Kajabi's intuitive course builder makes uploading and organizing your materials straightforward, helping you deliver a professional learning experience. With your product ready, it's time to market and sell it effectively. Design a captivating sales page that highlights the value and benefits your offer provides. Use Kajabi's built-in email marketing tools to nurture leads and communicate with your audience. Setting up automated sales funnels can guide potential customers from initial interest to purchase, streamlining your sales process. Consider offering a free mini course or webinar to showcase your expertise and build trust with your audience. To maximize your earnings on Kajabi, focus on scaling and optimization. Regularly review your sales data to understand what resonates most with your customers. Implement strategies like upsells and downsells to increase the average value of each transaction. Consider offering different pricing tiers or bundling related products for added value. Continuously update your content and actively engage with your community to foster loyalty and encourage repeat purchases, ensuring long-term success and growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.